Hello everyone, welcome to TUTORIEX. So this is my 8th video of this playlist Python 101, and in this video I'm gonna talk about a very important topic which is important for every programming language, that's operators. So I'll talk about operators in Python. So I'll go use this Jupyter notebook for this one. Already made the file operators in Python, and to save the time so the video doesn't get so much lengthy, I wrote down everything, the theory part, and I'll share this file with you on the description. So operators in Python, you see there, and there are so many operators. You can see arithmetic operators, assignment, comparison operators, logical, identity, membership, and bitwise. So we'll talk about all of that. I think it's gonna take like 2 videos or 2 or 3. This is a very basic topic and also most important. It's the basic. Without this you can't work. So let's get started with arithmetic operators. So first it comes additional operators, x plus y, like addition, that's like easiest of all, like 5 plus 6 you get 11, like 1 2 3 plus 6 7 8, and let's store it inside a variable x equals to, and print x. I'm just doing it for the first one. Next one I'll just show you the in speed. So you see 799, that's how the additional operator works. And then there comes subtraction operators. It's simple, minus. So 56 minus 40, 16, 34 minus 98, that's minus 64, easiest. Multiplication operator, you see, that's use this sign asterisk. So 12 into, we don't write into, that's how you multiply with that sign. So 12 into 2, that's 24, or 23 into 7, that's 161. And there is divide operator, you use this slash. So like 12 by 2, the result will be in float. So you see 6.0, not 6, it's 6.0, it's float. Or you like 30 by 7, you see 4 point, it's a high precision. You see, it's like how many digits is showing. I'm not gonna count, but it's a precision, it's not integer value, it's a float value. That's the point here. Modulus operator gives the remainder. Like if you divide 12 by 6, what is the remainder here? It's 0, right? So 0. And if you write 5 modulus operator, then 3, it comes 2, like 3 ones are 3, then 2 left, so remainder is 2. There comes exponent operator. Exponent operator is like power of a function, like 4 to the power 2, like 4 into 2 is 6, 4 into 4 16, 4 to the power 2 16, 2 to the power 4 16, 2 to the power 3 8, like that, 10 to the power 200. So that's the power operator. What you do, you remember this multiplication sign asterisk, you put it 2 times. 10 to the power 2, that's 100, and 3 to the power 4, that's 12. Sorry, I put the multiplication because 3 into 4 is 12. So if you give like 2, that means it's gonna calculate the power. So 3 power 4 is 81, right? 3 into 3 9, 9 into 3 27, 27 into 3 81. So I hope you get how that works. Now floor division operator, you remember the one I did here? See, it's giving the float result, 1 slash, giving the float result 6.0 or 4.28 or something like that. I'm gonna take the same example, 12 by 2, right? So 12, then 2 slash, then 2. You see 6, not 6.0, it's 6. It's an integer value, and there that was a float. It's a float value. Now 30 by 7, right? You see the result was 4.2857, whatever. So here if we do this, 30 by 7, right? So only 4, we get only 4, only the integer value. So that's it for arithmetic operators. Let's move on to assignment operators. By assignment operator, you assign a value to a variable. So here I assign 12 to num. So when I print num, this is like basic of basic. Num, it's 12. Now it's another thing, it's kind of a shortcut, add equal to operator, plus equals to. So I'll show you the general first. Imagine x equals to 10. Alright, x equals to 10. Imagine you want to do like this, x equals to x plus 20, right? So what happens now? What is the new value of x? So let's write x. What new value of x is 30. So you write x equals to x plus 20. So the shortcut is, you don't have to write all that, you just write x plus equals to 10. So what it's doing, x equals to x plus 10, the short form is x plus equals to 10. That's how it works. So it's gonna be the same, x plus equals to 10 is 20, so like 10 plus 10, 20, and before I did like x plus 20, so 30, easiest. Now I'm not gonna show you everything, just gonna like x equals to 10, x minus equals to 8. So tell me what's the answer, tell me in the comment. It's 2. And same goes for all, x equals to 10, x asterisk equals to 2. What do you think is the answer? 20. Then divide equals to, same. I'll check y this time, y equals to 80. Then y divide equals to 10. Tell me what is y? Y is 8.0. You see I use 1 slash, so it's gonna give the float. Modulus, same as that. I'm just gonna copy paste because I'm lazy. I'm gonna give modulus here. So what do you think it's gonna happen? What's the answer of y? Guess. I'm just gonna wait for you. Just comment there, of course, and match it with your answer. It's 0 because 10 and 80, it's no remainder at all. Then power, you use the power operator, right? X equals to 3. Then x equals to, let's say, 2. So 3 power 2, it's 9. And this comes again divide equal to operator and floor equal to floor divide. This is normal divide, it gives floor. That's the, it's a vital point you should remember. It's gonna give result as float, and this one gonna give, like, I'll just copy the same example. You see here 8.0, right? You're gonna get here, if I give 2 slash, see only 8 of y. You see int here, and the other one we did before. Let's create another cell, do the reference in case you don't believe me. Type of y, see it's float, and here it was integer. So that's the difference, and we covered in this video arithmetic operators and assignment operators and those left. So I think I'm gonna take total 3 videos and 3 short videos, and believe me, this is very vital topic and this is very basic. So hope I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.